Hi everybody, I'm Corey from RecPro, and today I'm going to show you how you can replace the glass top on your RecPro 2-burner stove cooktop. It's a very simple process, and all you need is your own two hands and a Phillips head screwdriver. To start with, on your old cooktop, we're going to lift up the glass portion, if it indeed still remains. Then we are going to take off the grate and set it aside. Goodbye, clamp. Now there are two screws holding the glass cooktop onto the rest of the unit, here and here. And all we're going to do is take our Phillips head and unscrew it. And we'll set these screws aside. We'll use them later to put the new one in. And then we will slide the old cooktop off. It comes as this one whole piece here. And we'll set this to the side. We don't need it anymore. And then we'll take our nice new one and we'll drop it in until it slides into place. It might help to lift that up. There we go. Slide it forward. Lift up the new glass, and we'll take the screws that we removed previously. Make sure the washer is the right way around. And we will just put the screws back in. There's that. And then we'll simply replace the grate. And that's all there is to it when it comes to replacing the glass top on your 2-burner RecPro stove cooktop. As I said earlier, it's very easy, very quick, and very simple to replace the glass top on your RecPro 2-burner cooktop. If you like this video and you want to see more installations, repair tips, and other how-tos from us in the future, like this video and slap that subscribe button. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.